Real quick before we get into this video, we're about to hit 500,000 subscribers. Let's go. That means it's time to take this content to the next level. I had someone help me edit this video. I'm looking to bring him on here and there to help me edit some stuff so I can get more content to you guys. So give us some feedback. Let us know what you liked, what you didn't like. I'm taking all the money I'm making from this channel and investing it right back in so that we can really bring you guys premium content. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And secondly, audio is being a little wonky for the first part of the video until we get to the first destination. So just bear with the beginning for a little bit. I fix it as soon as we get to our first stop, all right? That's all I got for you guys. Let's go and get in this video, baby.
Night rides are such a vibe, man.
Oh, whoa, oh, that's hard.
Beautiful views, boy. Oh my God.
We're piloting this beautiful H2 today. Look at that. Hell yeah, with all the carbon on there, the green and everything. Yes, sir. This is not Nina. I don't want anyone to get confused. This is not her. I can't show you guys where we're at right now, but no, we're at a good location and there's a lot of cool, awesome, rare bikes here. That's all I'm gonna say. The dream. My bad. The dream, baby. But all right, let's get on the bikes and let's go for a ride. You know them?
I have no idea. I don't think so. I don't know.
I was like, where's that coming from, dude? They got a lot of bikes out here. Dylan, nice to meet you, man.
Destroyed.
Destroyed, man.
Naked bike.
How's the H2 running?
Maybe good. I haven't really ridden it much. I just tried it over there.
It's very stock. Let's just say that.
Yeah,
very
not
stock.
or anything, so
Yeah.
it's lacking for sure. Looks good though, no?
Yeah, it looks phenomenal.
I like the green tape though.
Really?
Yeah.
The matte, you like the chrome finish better?
I definitely like the front finish.
Yeah, definitely.
I agree. It just pops, man. It's just so unique. We got another MV out here. Brutale. Double R. I love these, man. I really do. If it was more dailyable, I'd probably get one, honestly, because they sound good, they look incredible, they're very unique, very rare. You never see them around, but for what I do, I have to have a bike that's operable and like I can rely on and trust. Like I can't take a bike to an event and then have it break down on me or just something little happen and then I have nowhere to get it serviced, because the people that service these KTMs and whatnot are far and few and in between, man. So but yeah, Kay's gonna get his bike unlocked, so this will be good. I think I need a bit of a closer look here. What do you think about the blue? Yeah.
That's why I got it. I really liked it.
Really? I feel like it'd look better with the black.
There's no black. It was either silver or blue.
I feel like black and Orange is just a perfect color
I mean, yeah,
combination.
if there was a sand black one,
Yeah,
100%.
that'd be so hard.
So it was between, this is the new one, so
Yeah.
the only colors they have is the
This
silver
one,
and the blue.
Yeah. There's Rizoma smell on here. First oil change. They broke so fast. Check out this R1 that just pulled up. Oh, the red. I've never seen that before. Red forged carbon.
I painted
That's kind of hard. You what?
I painted myself.
Oh, you painted it? Oh, wow. Yeah, that's hard. I like that a lot, man. That's so cool. I've never seen this color scheme before. He's got the red on there, with the red carbon in there. And I like this bigger stitching of this carbon versus like the smaller stitching that you typically get on stuff. Yeah, this thing looks good. Painted the red swing arm back there. Got the matching SC. How do you paint carbon?
When I get it, I sand off all the clear coat,
Okay.
and then
Ah.
you gotta buy certain paints though.
Heck yeah, man. I like it. Heck yeah. I need to get the carbon sprocket cover for mine. There's still some little stuff I want to do the rain that I haven't done yet, but what do y'all think about the red carbon? I like it. It's unique. Kay's bike just finished up getting its first service, so she's good to go. Heck yeah. Excited?
Right now.
Yeah. It's going to be cold as It's chilly.
It's alright.
What is it?
65.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be chilly in the hoodies. Oh man. No, let's see what we can get into though. See you guys, take care. I guess it didn't. I thought you could. Jesus, I can't even talk. I'm cold already. I just wasn't prepared to ride in this weather. It's really not that bad. So apparently the KTM's come unlocked. You just had to have the first service done, so I'm shivering already. I think it's because I just drank a bunch of cold water. So my body temp's a little low. Man, this thing's so freaking smooth. My back's cramping up. Kay and I worked out earlier, hit some back and buys. But you can follow me on Instagram or him. You would have saw that. Oh my God, we were in there for like 2.5 hours. We did a lot. I haven't worked out like that in a while since college. Usually 45 minutes, like I'm in and out. My lats. Yeah, that's that too, both. Oh my God, smoking. You see it? Oh. All the oil, yeah. Damn. Yeah, there's smoke everywhere. They got some oil on the exhaust, so it's not a big deal. It's common when you do your oil change. I love that this is legal down here. Even though the H2 is like the worst bike to split on because it's so big, especially when you have these wings on here. This is definitely a fun, like, stoplight to stoplight bike. Just the sounds and everything it makes, man. So much fun. Especially with it stretched, you don't have to worry about it wheeling at all. You can literally just grab full throttle. I gotta turn this traction control down. I don't remember how to do it. It's embarrassing. There it is. There it is. I did the mode button. All right, let's turn that. We'll at least leave it on. All right, we'll go traction control at 1. This isn't my bike, but remember, this one is not like tuned or anything. It's completely stock. Puts like 190, 180 down at the dyno. Mine did 250. These things come so restricted from the factory. God damn. Yeah, with the traction control off, that is a huge freaking difference, dude. I thought I heard sirens for a sec.
Don't scare me like that.
Yeah, I was like, no. I was like, bye, Kay. See you later, dude. I'm out.
I'll be left behind.
That's so much fun. Stoplight to stoplight, dude. Hey, let's go. That's cute. My ears, dude. Oh my god. That actually hurt my ears. Oh my, I had to close the visor, and that still didn't really help much, but it like rings your eardrum, dude. Holy cow. I think we're gonna come up here and shoot some content, some reels. You can see people have had some fun up here. For sure. This is where you had your meetup? Huh? This is where you had your meetup?
My first ever one, yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. See, I got a good memory, dude.
Oh yeah, I was in the street on the sport mode. Yeah, that's why you got me out.
Oh yeah, that's what it was. Okay, yeah, I figured, man.
Just saying, I want. Yeah, careful this time. Sport mode.
And enjoying the views of Cali out here. Kay and I are just kind of chopping it up for a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head back now. Yeah. Hopefully not mob too much. But knowing Kay, we're definitely gonna mob. Yeah. Woo. I do like this H2. I wish Nina was here though. And I do wish this thing was tuned, but the next time I come out here it'll probably be set up right. So yeah, y'all definitely stay tuned for that. Here we go. Oh, whoa, oh, that's hard. That's hard. Oh my God, that's so cool. Hey, let's go. Yeah, that's sick. Wait, do that again?
Do what?
Whatever, there we go. That's a good little thumbnail right there. I don't know what I'm gonna title it, but. Dude, look at this. What the? This is every biker's dream right here, man. I know some of y'all are nutting on your keyboard right now. Someone's nutting on their keyboard somewhere. I like that light back there too.
Like logo?
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah.
You should get that made.
Yeah, custom made. It was actually a birthday gift.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You got the SC back there with a duck. It's pretty.
This is too much. If I get one more, like for example this, 9 bikes do fit, but it's too annoying.
Yeah, to ride one.
Yeah, like imagine if I have this many, I have to pull out that H2.
Yeah, hell no.
This is crazy. I've never seen 2 H2s in this garage before.
Yeah.
So first time. Crazy.
Look into the future. I'll cut that out. I won't put that in there.
No, you can. It's okay. I've always told them that I want 2 H2s. So.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm sure there's no words that even need to be said right now, but I'm just gonna leave y'all with this. This is such a view, man. Golly. Hell yes.
Yeah, I need a bigger garage for sure.
For sure, bro. This is absurd in a good way.
Thank you.
If y'all enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the Fast Lane gang, baby. Look, this is what I'm talking about.
catch y'all on the next one, man. We out. Peace.